Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived a life of simplicity. He never demanded fancy meals, and he never once complained about food that was placed in front of him. But there were certain foods he genuinely loved, foods he praised, recommended to his companions, and even called blessings from Allah. Today we're going through 10 of these foods, each one backed by authentic hadith. Some of them might surprise you. Let's begin. Number 1. Dates. Dates were perhaps the most beloved fruit to the Prophet, peace be upon him. He would break his fast with them, and he taught that a household with dates in it would never go hungry. Even today, dates remain a sunnah way to open the fast during Ramadan, a small tradition that connects millions of Muslims around the world to this same practice, generation after generation. Number 2. Honey. The Prophet, peace be upon him, described honey as a healing for illness, comparing it to how the Quran heals the heart. He would drink it regularly, and he encouraged others to do the same. Modern research has actually confirmed many of honey's antibacterial and healing properties, something the Prophet, peace be upon him, pointed to over 1,400 years ago. Number 3. Milk. According to Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, milk was the Prophet's most loved drink out of all beverages. In fact, during the night journey of Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj, when he was offered a vessel of wine and a vessel of milk, he chose the milk, a moment scholars point to as symbolic of the natural pure choice. Number 4. Olives and olive oil. Olives are mentioned directly in the Quran alongside figs and are considered among the blessed foods of paradise. The Prophet both ate olives and used olive oil, recommending it for eating and even for the skin. Number 5. Tharid. This was a dish of meat and broth poured over bread, simple but one of his favorites. In fact, the Prophet, peace be upon him, once said that Aisha's excellence compared to other women was like the excellence of Tharid compared to other foods. That's how highly this humble dish was regarded. Number 6. Barley. Barley was a staple in the Prophet's household, eaten as bread or porridge. It wasn't a luxury food. It was simple, humble and nourishing, which reflected the Prophet's overall approach to eating. Enough to sustain the body, never in excess. Number 7. The foreleg of goat. Among all the meats he ate, goat, camel, chicken, rabbit and fish, the Prophet had a particular liking for the foreleg of goat. He once said that meat holds a place of honor among the foods of this world and of paradise. Number 8. Vinegar. This one surprises a lot of people. The Prophet, peace be upon him, once asked for vinegar and praised it as an excellent condiment. It became so associated with him that his companions would recall the story simply out of love for having heard it from him directly. Number 9. Fresh cucumber eaten together with dates. This pairing balanced something cool and refreshing with something naturally sweet. A small but telling example of how the Prophet, peace be upon him, enjoyed simple combinations rather than elaborate meals. And finally, number 10. Water. It sounds obvious, but the Prophet, peace be upon him, specifically praised drinking water, especially cool water, and taught manners around it, drinking in 3 sips, sitting down, and saying Bismillah beforehand. Even the most basic blessing, water, carried etiquette and gratitude in his daily life. So there you have it, 10 foods loved by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Notice something about all of them. None of it was extravagant. Dates, milk, honey, bread, water, simple foods, enjoyed with gratitude. If you'd like to bring a piece of the Sunnah into your own home, even just adding dates or honey to your daily routine is a small, beautiful way to do that. If this video benefited you, please like it, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which one of these foods surprised you the most? Assalamu alaikum and see you in the next video.